Ever get annoyed when holding the spacebar triggers something you don't need? Here's how to disable the touch and hold spacebar function on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open any app where you can use the keyboard, for example, while opening a note. Tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap swipe, touch and feedback. Tap touch and hold spacebar. And then select no action. To see how it works, go back to your note. Now, try holding the spacebar again. Instead of activating voice input or other features, it will simply insert a space when you lift your finger. This is perfect if you want to avoid accidental triggers while typing. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.